Today, I want to talk on the common subject like people who have power, power in the court, power in the politics, power in any department where they have public dealing and they want to manipulate people in their own style. For example, if the power one power has in the court, they want that all the advocates should work according to their style and their whatever the terms and conditions decided by them, they can use it as their power. But sometimes by using their own power, it some hurt other also, because people who are working innocently in the concerned department and you are attacking on their morally and financially and attacking their own personality where they are busy in their earning their livelihood, and that very situation it demoralize them. So being a powerful person on leadership quality, it is your respectful duty that you should help all kind of people, because it doesn't matter what your age is. It is matter because on you on the leadership quality, you have to act like as a father or mother or as a elder person of the concerned family, and you have to help your concerned people in that such a way where the other colleague should not get offended without any reason and cause, and the action you are using to hurt the person, that should you should not do that. Instead of manipulating your power to hurting them and doing leg pulling, it's better you can use your power for helping those people and giving them cooperation, because power doesn't mean that you spoil the other person. If you have power, you can always see what your colleagues required, what is their daily requirement, and you can use your power for your betterment, not to doing leg pulling of other person. Because once you're doing your leg pulling of other person, you are not hurting only to them, but you are spoiling your power also, your energy also. And for every person, energy is a very powerful thing, and creating energy is not a very easy thing. If God has given you power and energy, you always do for the best, because it's coming year and coming time, there are a lot of problems are about to come in the country, in each state, each level. There may be theft, there may be storm, there may be heavy rain, there may be a lot of illness also. In that way, you can always use your power, how you can create finance so that you can help the needy person, because once you do that, the God will also be happy. And misusing the power by spoiling your own goodwill in favor of the in front of the God will also be better, because once we doing good thing for others, it always come back, because it is saying that if you do a good thing, lot of things good things are coming. If you are doing a wrong thing, lot of wrongs are coming. So why not do good thing in your life, so that you can achieve not only your target but able to help people who really matters. I hope you like the information, very productive. I know you know everyone, but sometimes after knowing that, still we do mature behavior sometimes, and we are hurting the sentiments of the other person, which is not required, especially in this time where the problems are about to come any moment from any side, any direction. Thank you so much for listening to me. Regards.